And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to apply a pattern to a circle. So we want to bend this one into a circle shape. The best method that I know, let me just create a circle first. I'll give it only a stroke, no fill. And I want to, as I've said, bend this one into the circle shape. Select the pattern, I press Ctrl D. And now I go to Path and combine it. Don't get confused here, just get rid of the fill and add a stroke. So hold Shift and click on the black color swatch and click on the X without holding Shift, and you've got this. You can still see all of the rectangles even though the color is gone. You need to select it, then press Ctrl C to copy it into the clipboard. Select the circle, click on the plus sign and the path effects, and add a pattern along path and then paste it. So this shape has now been pasted onto the circle. And now we'll have to adjust it manually a little bit so that we've got the right colors. Select it, go to Path and then break it apart. At first I'll select the big circle and give it this red color, which is the same as the big rectangle. Then I'll select the inner one, which should be this one here at the bottom. This is the center one, so the light red. And then there's this, the dark red. And the final one should be this element right here. Afterwards, select it, press Ctrl G to group it, and that should be it. So this is the way that I know to bend this rectangle shape into a circle. When you've got a very complex pattern, it might get tedious because you'll have to adjust it a little bit more and it's going to take some time. But once again, this is the way that I know and it does the job. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.